Ever feel like you're doing everything right? Steady job, decent savings, but you still feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck? Yeah, you're not alone. Kevin Reed, Chief Revenue Officer at Aquilance, shares 6 habits that can help middle-class earners level up to lasting wealth. No lottery ticket required. Habit 1. Build your income engine. Reed says, you should probably focus on finding ways to maximize your income before overthinking investing. Promotions, side gigs, career switches, whatever boosts your earning power. More income means more leverage to save, invest, and breathe. Habit 2. Find a mentor. Mentors become your personal champion to help you get that next promotion or new job. The right guide can help you skip rookie mistakes, and sometimes skip a few salary brackets too. Habit 3. Train like an elite athlete. According to Reed, mindset is the biggest hurdle for most people. Approach work like it's a big game. Wealth starts in your head before it hits your account. Treat your goals like practice drills. Every day is game day. Habit 4. Invest wisely. Once you've got extra cash, make it work for you. Talk to a financial advisor. Skip the hype investments and focus on the long-term plays that grow quietly, like compound interest, not day trading chaos. Habit 5. Give back. Reed says to give time and money to a nonprofit that ignites your passions and makes the world a better place. Giving shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, and that's true wealth. Habit 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. As Reed warns, the biggest issue that I see is people feeling like they deserve a certain level of lifestyle. Translation: don't let your paycheck glow up turn into a spending glow up. New cars, bigger houses, designer splurges, they drain the very wealth you're trying to build. In the end, it's not about pretending to be rich. It's about actually becoming rich. Reed leaves us with one question that sums it all up. Are you willing to delay gratification and prioritize actually becoming wealthy later? Or do you want to pretend to be wealthy now? So, what's your move? Fake flex or real freedom? Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.